Morning, back out in the Mournes again. The Foothills were for Knockcree Hill, and then maybe in the distance there, well not really in the distance, Aughrim Hill. I'm out with my dad, he's poured on. Way over there in the distance, it's the high points. Got a Sleeve Binion and the likes. Way far in the distance, Sleeve Burner, Sleeve Muck. On the way out the Irish Sea. It's a crisp enough morning, 0 degrees. Don't think this will take long. I think it's only 3.4 kilometres up at the top of Knockchree and back down to the car park at Aughrim Hill, where we parked up this morning there. But I'll catch up just in case he gets lost here, but I think it's only one track up and one track down, so maybe 25 minutes, half an hour to the top. I've got the drone with me. Well, it's a clear morning. Fingers crossed we'll get good shots at the top of Knockchree here. I'll get going. Nice bit of mist coming over the fields there. At the foot of Sleeve Binion. Moon's still out. Don't know if I can see it. Up there somewhere. Still haven't got him up here yet. Anyway, there with the aerials on top. There's Aughrim Hill. Just a wee box taking exercise this morning. Get these two out of the way. I've wanted to do these couple, possibly well. Just come up 25 past 8, sunrise. Thought we might have been near the top, but probably about halfway there. Very quiet as always. Definitely hoping to get the drone up, get a few shots. Cracking a wee bit of sunrise there. That's the summit there. I don't even know if you call it a summit or not, but seems well tracked out anyway. Bit of ice in the ground, no snow, but hopefully coming. You can't bet a bit of snow. Let's see, can you see Binion in the way in the dark background there? Lovely morning. What else will we do this Saturday morning? Whew. That's always a morning to remember to look back where you came from. That's amazing. The way the sun's just bouncing off in there. Lovely. way underneath the cloud. I'll stick my neck in the line. Sherpa Stephen's not here to give me the information. I think that is eagle. And we're gonna crack a cloud inversion there one day. I'll actually put a link into the video now. Just up in the corner of the screen on YouTube. Brilliant. It looks away over Mucker, sorry, that one there. Brilliant. The binions. Oh, and my dab's just pouring on. As usual, nobody waits on me. I'll catch him up. It's the cairn on Knockcree hill. Some morning. We'll get a cup of tea here. Relax, hang on. Move you down a wee bit. Take 5 to 10 minutes. And then hopefully we'll hit the tower on Aughrim Hill. Mighty Hill, I think you call it. We'll be the judge. So, a couple of reasons for Knockcree. Well, 3 in fact. Like I said on the way up, just a wee back text exercise. 2, I wanted to see if Ruby and Ellie could maybe do one. I think they could. And 3, my new obsession, looking about for camping spots. I'll not tell you what I think. But had thrown up a couple of shots. Dad had a cup of tea, a bite to eat. Fruit loaf fish on. Not for me. But again, I hate to go on about it, but look. What a morning. I'm pretty sure the GoPro doesn't do that justice. Cracker. So we'll pack up, head back down, and hopefully we'll hit the mighty hill. Back on the move again. I forgot to say, I was like 1.4 mile from the car up. We've been here 57 minutes from the car up. Took us a cup of tea and all. We're on the move. Not too sure about Aughrim Hill, so we're not, but we'll see when we get back into the car. I'm starving as always. A wee place in Rough Island penciled in for breakfast. Bit of a fry. But how fantastic's that? Into the wee forest part of Knockchree. Amazing morning. got new gloves. I'll never guess where. Home bargains, $2.75. Unbelievable, that place. Spend a week's wage in there. But anyway, I'll probably not do much video on the way down. Probably just check in the car to see if we are going up Aughrim. But spin you around one last views. Way in the distance, Donard maybe, I think. But we'll catch up as always. That's me starting Aughrim Hill now. Just going to zigzag it up, but like I said on the wee sign there, I'd say probably 20 minutes up and down. See what sort of views there are up here as well. Well, that was only an hour and a half all in really for Knockcree. I'll not do the full loop of Aughrim and just go up the towers, straight back down. Like I said, 0.8 mile for the full loop, so not too long hopefully. There's the car. Aughrim Airport. Just the airstrip. Thought I may have seen a wee plane taking off maybe this morning. Pretty clear for it. Not much winds or anything. Only 9:30, but still early. Make it one. Taking off. Very interesting to see, I think. So what? Well, I've left my dad in the car park. Getting a wee cup of tea, he's got a bad hip. Telling him back down in 25 minutes. As you can see, we're near the summit. That's us, top of the mighty hill. Just over there. Knockcree Hill. I'll probably just end the video here to be honest. Sorry about that there. Just follow the track back down. 10 minutes of leaving there. Still get decent enough views out the Irish Sea. Over the Eagle Mountain, Pigeon, is it I think, or is it Muckamore? Steve Muckamore. So yeah, nice enough. There's your binions, lovely. Like I say, so at the moment I'm sitting on near 3.5 miles. Next one for a Saturday morning, out with my dad. Foothills to the Mournes, definitely. Knockcree, definitely doable. All levels of fitness. cracker views, especially in the morning like this. Aughrim Hill. Didn't really live up to its name, a mighty hill maybe, but that's the two I've ticked off. On Saturday morning, like I said. So I'll just stop here in fact. Just leave you with a view. Cracker morning. I'll end it. Happy Saturdays. Hopefully see us all out next week again.